Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a limit order on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, and let's say for example you made your analytics, okay? And let's say you want to add a limit order here, okay, in this place on the 465 level, for example. So all you have to do is go to limit here, click on it, and we have here entry price, as you can see. So type here 465. We have here the quantity. You can choose the quantity you want. For example, one lot, two lot, three lots, 0.5, anything. So for me, I will keep it on one lot. We have here the expiry date. You can use it if you want. For me, I will keep it like that. Okay. And we have here the stop loss, and we have the take profit. So for example, my stop loss will be here, 455. So I will type here 455. Okay. And my take profit will be, for example, here 520. So I will type here 520. Okay. So this is my profit, $550. And this one is my loss, minus $100, minus 1% plus 5.5%. Okay. You can add a trailing stop if you want. Click here and your stop will be tripped. Okay. But for me, I will keep it like that and click on place order and go to orders. Don't go to position, go to orders, and you will see here your limit order. As you can see, this is the direction, order type, it's a limit order. We have the symbol, the quantity, the submitted price, this one, the distance between the current price and your limit order, take profit and stop loss. Now, let's say, for example, you change your mind and you want to change this limit order. All you have to do is click on it and drag it like this, as you can see. Okay, your take profits and your stop loss also will change. Just remember that, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.